Hey there, folks! I've got some mind-blowing news for you. Meta has unleashed a game-changer in the world of AI. It's called Voicebox, and it's like having an audio editing wizard and a multilingual voice artist in one. Trust me, this thing is off the charts. In this video, I'm gonna spill the beans on Voicebox, the most jaw-dropping text-to-speech AI model ever created. Get ready for a wild ride. Alright, let's dive into the epicness of Voicebox. Picture this. You feed it some text, and it conjures up the most natural-sounding audio you've ever heard. Seriously, it can mimic any voice style. You want speech in different languages or dialects? No problemo. Voicebox has got you covered. It can even save the day when your audio clips need some tidying up. Say goodbye to misspoken words or unwanted sounds, because Voicebox erases them like a pro. Oh, and here's the cherry on top. It can transfer the style of one voice to another. Now you can speak a foreign language and still sound like yourself. Voicebox isn't your run-of-the-mill AI model. It's a next-level genius that can tackle tasks it wasn't trained for. How? In context learning, Voicebox taps into its vast knowledge and data to crack challenges that would make other eyes tremble. It learns from audio samples and text cues to adapt like a linguistic chameleon. Voicebox is not just lightning fast, it's also freakishly accurate. Meta boasts that Voicebox only messes up 5.9% of the time, while its rival, Valley, flubs it 19% of the time. Talk about a knockout. And let's not forget the speed. Voicebox can generate speech 20 times faster than the competition. That's some next-level efficiency. Get ready for some jaw-dropping demos of Voicebox's amazing features. First, let's see in-context text-to-speech synthesis. Imagine this. You give Voicebox some text and a 2-second clip of your friend saying, "Hi." And voila! Voicebox reads the text in your friend's voice, nailing the tone and inflection. It's like having your buddy inside the AI. That mind-boggling ability means Voicebox can mimic anyone's voice style with minimal data. No need for lengthy recordings or transcripts. Voicebox is a voice chameleon that can rock any style with a tiny audio sample. It's magic, folks. That was a wild ride through Voicebox's extraordinary world. Can you believe this AI model's power? I'm blown away, and you are too. So buckle up and get ready for when Meta unleashes this beast. Prepare to have your mind blown with the mind-boggling applications of this feature. Imagine hearing your loved one's voices instead of reading texts. That's right, folks. Voicebox can bring your friends and family to your ears with their tones and quirks. And hey, why not have celebs or characters read you stories or jokes? The possibilities are endless. And it gets crazier. You can have your own voice reading anything you want. It's like having a personal voice assistant on steroids. But there's more awesomeness to uncover. Let's explore the magical world of speech editing and noise reduction. Imagine this. You record yourself saying, "I love this new AI tool," but oops. There's a dog barking or you stumble over a word. Fear not, because Voicebox erases all the noise and fixes your mistakes with flawless precision. It's like having an audio editing genius at your service. Now, folks, get ready for the main event. We're about to witness the mind-blowing phenomenon of cross-lingual style transfer. Brace yourselves because Voicebox can generate speech in different languages while keeping the same voice style. Can you believe it? Picture this. You feed Voicebox an English text and a clip of yourself saying, "Bonjour." And voila! Voicebox reads the text in French with your voice and accent. It's like being a linguistic magician, charming everyone with your multilingual skills. No need for parallel data or translations. Voicebox uses its multilingual tricks and delivers a performance that'll leave you speechless. Imagine this. You can chat with people worldwide in their languages using your voice. It's like breaking language barriers with your vocal charm. And hey, if you want to learn a new language, Voicebox can help you. Just listen to yourself speaking it and improve your skills. Oh, and let's not forget about creating amazing multilingual content with a consistent voice style. Your audience will be stunned. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to reveal the amazing feature of diverse speech sampling. With Voicebox, you don't just get one voice. You get a whole chorus of vocal awesomeness. Picture this. You give Voicebox an English text and ask for 10 samples. And guess what? It produces 10 awesome audio clips, each with a unique voice, accent, tone, and emotion. It's like having a voice party where everyone's invited, from the classy to the crazy. Voicebox knows how to mix it up and keep things fresh. Let's dive into the amazing applications of this technology. Picture this. Visually impaired people can now feel more connected and supported by having their messages read in familiar voices. It's like having your loved ones whispering in your ear. And hey, how about having your favorite author or narrator read your books? It's like stepping into a new dimension of storytelling. This technology is a game changer for content creators too. They can easily create and modify their audio tracks, unleashing their creativity with ease. It's like having a magic wand that grants them efficiency, adaptability, and endless possibilities. Meta hasn't released Voicebox to the public yet. Why? Well, they're aware of the potential for misuse and abuse. We're talking about people generating fake audio clips with someone else's voice, without their consent or knowledge. Privacy, security, and trust are at stake, folks. Using someone's voice without their permission for malicious activities is wrong. Let's respect identity and privacy, shall we? Don't worry, Meta is on it. They're working on a classifier that can tell authentic and AI-generated speech apart. They say their classifier can detect Voicebox-generated speech with high accuracy and reliability. Plus, they're making ethical guidelines and best practices to ensure responsible and safe use of Voicebox. Good job, Meta! Now, I don't know when you can get Voicebox, that's still a mystery. But don't lose hope, my friends, for the day will come when you can use Voicebox to wow the world. Until then, let's stay excited and hopeful. That's it, folks. I hope you've enjoyed this amazing journey through Voicebox. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious, stay awesome, and I'll see you next time.